Hi guys, I'm back on Do It Yourself Simple Workshop. Today I will show you how I make a pizza pill for my pizza shop, 9 pieces, only for 50 euros. Hi, and here's the result. It's strong, see? 9 pieces, 50 euros. If some worker in my pizza shop throws it down accidentally or something other happens, it's okay. I just take a next one because it costs very cheap. In the start I was buying some very good ones with like 50, 90 euros, you know, at the piece, but every month I'm changing like 3 of them. Then this is the best idea.